Welcome to Chart Traders. Today we are going to see a candlestick pattern or candlestick chart. Okay, so in 18th century earlier, a Japanese man named Homa discovered a candlestick chart. Later on in 1980s, a trader named Steve Nielsen accidentally discovered a candlestick, and he introduced a different methodology based on candlestick chart to the rest of world. So a candlestick chart is a style of financial chart used to describe a price movement of security, derivatives or currency. So each candlestick typically shows one day. Assume there are 20 trading sessions in 1 month, then there are 20 candlesticks. Okay, a candlestick chart can build on different interval. It may be shorter or longer interval. For example, 5 minute charts, 10-minute charts, 15-minute chart, weekly chart, monthly chart means each candle represent 5 minutes, each candle represent 15 minutes, each candle represent 1 week, or each candle represent 1 month. So we can capture a price movement of security on a different time interval. Okay, so normally any candlestick, okay, may be formed by four different components. One is low, second is high, third is close, and fourth is open. Okay, so if we are going to consider a bullish candle, okay, bullish candle means close price of a candle is higher than open price of close. Okay, same way if we are going to consider a bearish candle, then close price of a candle is lower than open price of your candle. Okay, now high and low represent high and low of that candle. Okay, for example, in a bullish candle, okay, opening price is here. Okay, it makes a low, okay, then go up, make highs, and then again close at this price. So this form a bullish candle. Same way, uh, for bearish candle, price is open here, okay, go up to high, okay, fall up to this low and close at this price. Okay, so basically we have a bullish and bearish candle. Okay, now the area between your open and close is called a body. Okay, or the area above your close, or area between your close and high, and area between your open and low is known as shadow or wicks. Okay, so this is your real body, this is your real body, this wings or shadow. Okay, same way for bearish candle, this is your real body, this is your wicks or shadow. Okay, so we can define, or we can create a candlestick chart on a different time interval. Okay, so I am going to show you a candlestick chart. Okay, in a I am going to show you a candlestick chart in a Zerodha account. So if you want to open a Zerodha account, just follow the link given in a description and open a account with me. Okay, now I have opened a ACC stock candlestick chart. Okay, so green represent your bullish candle, red represent your bearish candle. Now we have selected on daily basis chart. Okay, so if you are going to see here, okay, so what is the close of this candle? That is 1156.60. Okay, then open is 1182. Same way high is 1193 and low is 1157. Okay, okay, so in a different interval, even I can select here 5 minutes, so it will represent, or it will present a 5 minute candle. So that is a close, open, that is a close. This is a 5 minute candle. Okay, that form at 225 to 230. Okay, so this is open price at 2, okay, low, then mid, high, and which is equal to close also. Okay, clear? So that's a candlestick chart. Now we are going to learn okay. Now there are two types of candlestick chart. One is single and second is multiple. So what do you mean by single candlestick pattern? A single candlestick pattern that is a formed by just only one candle. Okay, while multiple candlestick pattern that is a formed by multiple candlestick. It may be two or three, but minimum how many candles? That is two candle. Okay, so there are different types of candlestick patterns are available. Okay, if we are going to consider single, then Marubozu, Doji, spinning top and paper umbrella. If we are going to consider multiple candlestick pattern, there are an angle fill pattern, dark cloud, harami pattern, morning star and evening star. So one by one we are going to see all the candlestick pattern that is single and multiple in this series. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you.